Good. Bringing the hip just a little bit more. Good.
Welcome back to the CrackBones channel. Now in the today's videos, I am going to be posting a wide variety chiropractic adjustment, spinal manipulation, manual therapy or muscle treatment from of our some best chiropractor with some new addition. Also all of their contact link will be in the description box, that where you can check them directly. Now let's get into this video and I will see you next. Next we have Dr. Brent Binder.
We're going to slide up to the glute fold here. Yours is lower on the left, which doesn't match that high right hip here. We're externally rotated on the right side. So the right one has gone forward and out, and the left one has gone back and in. Okay, no curvatures here. There is a slight deviation. We've got one segment right in the mid-thoracic spine. Go ahead and stand up. Let me see what segment this is. Beneath the rhomboid segment. But this one segment definitely sticks out. Go ahead and go back forward. Good. This is like, let your head relax. Good. Anterior segment right here. 2, 3, 4, 5. T5, T5, and T7. Check 5 and 7. Okay, stand up. Good. Just looking for postural sway here. Tiny movements in posture. Good. Couple things here in this transition. Stair stepping multiple segments. Looks like 10. The spine is all right-sided, so you had all these left side shoulder muscle rhomboid stuff, right side trap, but when we dig into the spine, it's all on the right side here. Any tenderness here?
No, not really.
Tenderness here?
Yep. Oh, a little bit, yeah.
Lower right and here?
Kind of, yeah.
Good, down. Good, left hip up like this. Good, down. Okay, nice and gentle breathing. Let's practice one first so you can feel what it's like. Oh, you've been adjusted before, but relax, sinking in.
Ooh.
Hold on. Neck. Good. Elbows in. Ouch the whole time, okay?
Okay.
Okay, deep breath in. Breathe out. Go lean back. Keep breathing.
I don't think so, no.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to slide the top leg up like this. The bottom leg stays straight. I'm going to switch and forward here to the end. We're going to pull this shoulder. And out. Good. Shoulder relaxing. Coming up. Good. Bringing the hip just a little bit more. Good. There you're back.
That helps.
Good. Sinking in with the shoulders come up. Good. One more time. Deep breath in. And out. Good. Shoulders coming up. Good. Sink.
Ooh.
And back. Left shoulder on supine as well. Let's do this. Go ahead and turn your head to the right. Okay, that made it even. Back to center. Good. Now turn your head to the left. Back to center. Bring your right ear down to your shoulder. Left ear down to your shoulder. Good. Back to center. Bilateral upper cervical. So okay, nice, gentle breathing. Good. But let the head just sink in and fall right there. Good. Following this breath, next breath will follow the next breath out. You're doing good.
Wow.
Yes. First, I'm going to test this right side first and see where it needs to be adjusted. So let your head completely relax. Good. And let your head drop in. Go testing. 7, 6, 7. Okay, letting your head completely relax into the table here. Good. Good. Letting it drop down with the breath. Soft breathing and just let the head drop in. Good. Good. One more time. Let it go. Let it drop. Good.
It's still tingling right now.
In your neck.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's good. Nice.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, now squeeze as hard as you can. I think it went a little bit. Right?
Yeah, it did. It did.
So if by first finding the belly button, yours is here. Your ASIS, your hip bone, yours is here. We connect these 2 points like that. That's where we begin looking for the ileocecal valve. Good. We're going to do the pyloric sphincter now. This is the window between the stomach and the small intestine. Did you eat today?
Did I eat today? Yeah, I ate today.
Mm-hmm. What did you eat today?
I had pasta.
Mm.
Yeah.
You digest very fast is what
Yeah.
that tells me.
Yeah.
Because there's actually none of the valves are active. It's like you've already processed it.
I did.
The diaphragm. Do you know how to belly breathe? So breathe, push your belly out. Good. Now pull your belly back in. Good. Push your belly out again. Pull it back in. Good. One more deep belly breath. And out. Good. Same thing. Keep going. There you go. Might be a little bit more. Just do a couple more belly breaths. Quiet belly breathing. Okay, let's see. Open. Damn.
Mm-hmm.
Close. Open your jaw halfway. Now push your jaw to the right against my hand. Good. Push, push, push. Jaw slightly open. Good. Letting it all go and sinking in. See if you can just let this relax down here. Good. Now let this here.
Ooh.
Good. Okay, bring your arms to your belly. Okay, just like the other adjustments, we're following your breath. Okay, I'm going to use the towel to support your neck. You okay with that?
Yep.
Okay, we're going to go like this. Okay, as you breathe out, we're going to follow your breath. And then at the end of your breath, we pull like that, okay?
Okay.
Okay, nice, gentle breathing. Go and take a deep breath in.
Ooh. Ooh. Gosh.
Good.
Wow.
Did you feel it all the way down?
Oh, yeah. I'm still feeling it.
Yep.
Wow.
It dissipates. Yeah, just hang in there. It goes away.
I'm still feeling it.
Where do you feel it the most right now?
My right.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Exactly. That's exactly where you need
I
it.
was trying not to say like a curse word. I was like, let me.
All right. Let's see. Go ahead and stand up. Walk around a little bit. Let's see how it feels.
Ooh. It feels lighter.
Nice.
I feel free. Definitely not as much tension.
Shoulders are even.
Yes.
And your head is even too. Put your hands on top of your hips. Yep, still a little bit higher on the right hip, but that's okay. The hips are harder to resolve. Go drop your arms again. Yeah, but your right and left shoulder. Even Steven. First, we're going to bring that shoulder down, and we're going to tilt it back away from it this way.
That one there. I still feel it a little.
Here, let this relax. Here, try to let it go. Does that hurt? You're guarding it. You're definitely protecting.
I know.
Just try to let it go. We're going to just work out the tension like this for a minute.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.